Hello and welcome back to the
Zach
and Buzz
Review.
So what are we reviewing today?
It's another item that actually I didn't buy.
Didn't you? I didn't buy it.
You didn't buy it.
Who
I didn't
bought
buy
it?
Your mother, my wife, Tina, bought it.
Okay,
or
so...
bought them. Them?
Them? What does that mean?
Them. Right.
Interesting. Maybe we should shed some light
Yes.
on what
Let me-
thems are.
Let me bring it for... Brought one of thems in. Okay.
I'm not sure that's a word.
I know it's a word, but you see, one has already been unpacked.
Right.
And I'm being nagged about getting this review done so she can unpack.
Okay, so that's why we're doing the review
So
today.
we're getting it sorted for you, T.
Okie dokie.
And ta-ta-ta-ta!
It's a box.
It's a box. It is the Tesco's
Home brand
Aura Matte Black 12-piece dinner set. Ta-da!
Wow, that's a mouthful.
Well,
Surprisingly.
hopefully it will help you have a mouthful.
Yes.
There you go. So, yes, my wife was looking for a whole new set of crockery.
Mm-hmm.
We had red ones before, didn't we? Red plates and things.
They've gone for black and white.
Yeah, but they've gone for a bit of a battering over the years.
Over the years.
And we've...
If you're breaking them again.
Yeah, we're breaking them. I blame the dishwasher. But anyway, the thing was, we have specific needs when it comes to crockery.
Right.
When it comes to Tina's needs, she likes things that match up with things.
Right.
And progressively, the kitchen appliances and such like have been changing over to black and silver
Type things.
such as
And this
we had a new
colour scheme.
new cooker, and of course everybody's been getting the air fryers. So we had the
air fryer crazy.
Air fryer crazy. So we've got the air fryer and we've got the cooker.
I think
and we've
you've
got
just
this
come
thing.
up with another few reviews we can do.
Yeah. So we're getting all these bits and pieces. Then, Tina said, "Oh, the crockery doesn't match anymore."
Okay.
So anyway, so we went to Tesco's and she found this. Bless her, she's been hunting for ages to get exactly the right style, and it's the style as well as the colour.
Right.
Okay, so should we unbox?
Okay, we can both help
Yes,
with
we'll
this.
both help. Let's see what's in here. Right.
Okay, so in the box
In the
we
box.
have more boxes.
More boxes. I hope we're not going to break these things.
We didn't unpack.
Can you get that out?
We didn't unpack the other one.
No. Careful.
Okay, I've got a good grip. Box number 1.
Box number 2. With some spare stuff. What do we do with the spare cardboard? Oh, there it goes.
Hit you on the head with it.
Oh, there it goes.
Ow!
There you go. Oh, we got some more. What's in
Box
there?
number 3.
Number 3.
Okay. I've got a good grip. We can
Okay.
get rid of the big box.
The big ones.
The colourful one that sold it to us goes over there.
Ooh, so we've got
3 smaller mystery boxes that hopefully contain what we bought.
Right, I reckon we should go for what you've got.
What have I got? I have got a box.
You've got a box.
I think this is probably going to be plates.
Yeah, I reckon so. I reckon this is the plate.
Is there okay, we're just literally going to rip it. Okay.
We'll open it the manly way.
Okie dokie.
Hey, look at that. Plate.
Plate number 1.
Plate number 1. Look at that.
Okie dokie.
These have got some weight.
I like the little rim around the edge.
Yeah, well,
That's kinda
I'm going
useful.
to come to that.
So that's 4 plates.
Yeah, that's it. 4 plates.
4 plates.
4 plates. Now, let's just discuss the plates. Okay? These are good.
Quite solid.
Quite solid plates. Now, reason we've gone for these, Tina's been after this particular style for a while, and I think as a man, I will chip in and say I like the idea of these. It's because where you like a nice hearty roast once in a while, especially when it comes to the festive season,
Yeah.
and we also like the odd TV dinner,
Right.
where we'll have the tray on our laps and watch
Well,
TV.
most people do nowadays.
I think most people do. Some people say,
You don't even need to call it a TV dinner. You can literally just call it dinner.
dinner in front of the TV. But the problem is with a normal plate, if you've got lovely gravy and things, or you're having a
Goes over the
curry
side.
and it's got a lot of sauce or Chinese, it can get over the side of the plate. And these have got this lovely lip on them, which means your gravy can't escape anymore.
Good.
Your your curry's going to stay in there. You know, your Danzak, great. Your Boona, everything's going to stay on the plate.
Chicken
Your Chinese, your
Tikka masala.
That's it.
Woohoo.
Your Shanghai chicken. You know, it's going to stay in there, and it's good. And also, I'm going to say, I don't when I'm Chinese.
Yeah.
I don't tend to use a plate.
What do you use?
A bowl.
A bowl. Well, I mean, they're kind of bowl-like. They're like shallow bowls.
They're shallow bowls, but I like my Chinese rather than on a plate. I like it in a bowl.
Okay.
So let's take a look at what I'm assuming.
Box number 2.
The bowls. There we go.
Okay, so.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Now
that's a deep bowl.
It's a really nice deep bowl. Now these. Oh yeah, I like it already.
Again, they've got that weight.
Yeah,
they've got that weight. That's
got the
good.
weight, but also the depth. Rather than being like a shallow,
like a big
bowl,
wider bowl, they're kind of more compact. That's kind of cool.
I am a devotee of chopsticks. Okay, I eat with chopsticks. I can't have my Chinese without chopsticks. I learned to use chopsticks when I was a kid, and it just doesn't seem right to eat my Chinese without chopsticks. And eating chopsticks, you should have a bowl so that you can eat it and pop, 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 pop.
So that's...
And these are the perfect Chinese bowls.
I think he likes the bowls.
I like these bowls.
So 4 plates, 4 bowls.
And I'd say these are a good some bowls can be oversized.
Right.
Which can kind of lead you to maybe have bigger portions than you really need. But for breakfast bowls...
Yeah, I think they're quite good for that.
I think that's pretty good.
Like a can of soup or something, that's going to be
a soup
quite
bowl.
good.
Again, it's good. It's a nice deep bowl for your soup.
Yeah, you're not going to spill it easily.
No, so
unless you kind of spill it.
So we have a stack. Let's bring them here.
Okay. We're going to stack them like that.
We're going to stack them like that. Look at that.
The bowl tower.
Ta-ta, the bowl tower. And that leaves us this.
Box number 3.
What's
this going to be?
So far, I am very much liking this.
Yeah.
I can see that
packaging's quite good as well.
Yeah.
Kind of to stop it from being broken in transit from the shop.
Yeah, that would be really annoying if you've gone there and you've purchased it, get it back home, and then find that
it's the wrong colour. No.
Well, not the wrong colour. I think for red colours, I believe in this set, price-wise, £23 for the set. Not bad for a 12-piece set.
That's quite good. That's quite good.
Also, the colours. I think there's 3 different colours. I think there was a kind of a grey and maybe a sort of green, a sort of greeny coloured one.
Okay. Well, we've gone for this colour scheme. Oh,
these are tea plates. Oh, they've switched it. Look at that.
That's interesting. I didn't expect that. I thought it was going to follow the same trend colour-wise.
No. Well, actually, this is quite trendy because you see now.
It's like
if you give me a dinner plate, there you go. I can have a plate. I don't know if this is what you do, ladies and gents, but there. See, look at that. You can have this nice trendy. You can put your starter on that. Couldn't you? Put your starter on it. But these are opposite. Black on the inside, white on the outside.
They remind me a lot of Frisbees.
Yeah.
But you probably don't want to throw.
But again, they've got a lip. They've got a little lip.
Yeah.
Which means that things aren't going to escape.
I think Tina said they were based on a kind of American design.
If they are, thank you, US of A. You know?
Yeah, we've got some friends in America, haven't we?
Yeah, we have. Hi guys.
Hi, if you've got anything you'd like us to review.
Hiya Pam in Texas. So Tesco's Home Aura Stoneware. Dishwasher and microwave safe.
That's good. That's good.
That's
you
good to
kind
know.
of want to know that's a
there
thing.
you go. So we have 4 plates.
4 plates.
4 bowls.
4 bowls.
4 side. What do you call these? Side.
Smaller plates.
Size plate. This is kind of plate that if I'm having toast in the morning, I'd choose to have a plate, or a sandwich plate, or whatever. Compared to the dinner plates, they do a larger bowl as well.
Yeah.
Which would be kind of more of a if you don't want to go for your plate, but maybe you were having something like a chili con carne.
So was this set? This was separate from this set.
This is a 12-piece set.
This is a dedicated set.
Dedicated 12-piece set. But separate from that, I know that you can get a bigger bowl, which would be more towards the dinner plate, not as big, not as wide as the dinner plate, bigger than the breakfast bowls, but would probably be ideal if you're having rice and chili con carne, something that you might. But the lips on the plates are going to help with that.
Yeah.
But if you've got something that's a little bit more...
Same colour scheme.
Same colour scheme.
Okay.
But, you know, something that's a little bit more juicy. You know, it's got more sauce with it. Yeah.
Right.
Then you might want to go...
Him and his sauce.
Might want to go not
He's
for
obsessed. Obsessed with sauce.
I like sauce. I'm a saucy kind of guy. So the bigger bowls that you can buy separately are an addition.
Okay.
And you can also get mugs.
Right.
Okay. I would say mugs rather than cups.
Yeah.
They're like a nice big stoneware mug for a nice good cup of coffee.
Nice.
Or a good
So,
old English tea.
This was under £25 to get.
£23.
£23
for a 12-piece set. There we go. Bring the box.
So what would that work out at?
There you go. There it is.
Each. So that would be 23 divided into 12.
20.
Testing your
Just
maths
under £2.
Well, there you are
item.
then. There you are.
There you go. Spot on.
Definitely worth it.
Excellent. All right. Whether you like the colour or not, I don't know. But the actual design, and I love the lips, the deep lips on all the plates and everything. Fantastic.
Recommended. Go to Tesco's and check out the
I
kitchenware
shall not
section.
lose my sauce or my gravy.
Ever again.
Ever again.
Unless you trip over a cat.
I look forward to trying these out progressively through the year to when I can christen them with my festive dinner.
Hopefully they won't break before then.
No, they won't. Anyway, if they do, we'll be back for another review. You wait and see. Anyway, that's it for our Tesco's or our 12-piece dinner set. Hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that's helpful to you if you're looking into thinking about buying a set.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel and comment below any suggestions of further reviews you'd like to see in the future.
See you again soon.